Today I am reviewing the NIMO 17.3-inch gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Hey everyone! Today, we are diving deep into a laptop that is trying to bridge a very interesting gap. We are talking about the NIMO 17.3-inch laptop. Now, on paper, this machine is marketed as a blend between an AI-powered business machine and a gaming PC. That is a pretty bold claim, especially considering it relies on integrated graphics rather than a dedicated, power-hungry graphics card. So, is it actually the best of both worlds, or does it fall flat? Let's break it down. Let's start with the undisputed star of the show, the processor. Under the hood, this machine is packing the AMD Ryzen 9 8945HS. This is an absolute beast of a silicon chip. We are talking about 8 cores, 16 threads, and a boost clock that can fly all the way up to 5.2 GHz. In plain English, this laptop handles raw processing like a desktop. If you are someone who keeps 50 Chrome tabs open while rendering a video in the background and compiling code, this processor won't even break a sweat. NIMO has also built in an intelligent thermal management system that keeps the laptop cool under heavy pressure, ensuring you don't experience any performance throttling when things get intense. Furthermore, this specific chip features AMD's dedicated Ryzen AI hardware. As software moves toward AI integration, having local AI processing power means features like Windows Copilot, real-time background blurring, and AI-driven creative tools run locally on your hardware instead of lagging through the cloud. It makes the entire user experience feel incredibly future-proof. Next up is the physical footprint. This is a massive 17.3-inch full HD display. If you are a business professional who hates squinting at tiny text, or a gamer who wants an expansive, immersive field of view without plugging into an external monitor, this screen real estate is a game changer. Now, usually, a 17-inch laptop is an absolute brick to carry around. But NIMO managed to pull off a bit of engineering magic here. The laptop weighs in at just 4.6 pounds. Don't get me wrong, it's still a large machine due to its physical dimensions, but at under 5 pounds, it is surprisingly easy to slide into a backpack for a coffee shop session or a commute. Let's talk about the gaming side of the equation. This laptop features AMD Radeon 780M graphics. To be perfectly clear, this is integrated graphics, not a discrete graphics card like an RTX 40 series. However, the Radeon 780M is widely recognized as the king of integrated graphics. What does this mean for your gaming sessions? It means you can comfortably play popular esports titles like League of Legends, Valorant, and Counter-Strike at high frame rates. For massive, graphically intensive AAA titles, you will need to dial the settings down to medium or low, but thanks to AMD's upscaling technologies, games remain highly playable and smooth. It strikes an excellent balance for someone who wants to play games on the side without carrying around a hot, loud, battery-draining gaming rig. Now, we have to look at the storage configuration, because this is where you need to pay attention. The laptop ships with 16 GB of next-generation DDR5 RAM, which is great for multitasking. However, it only comes with a 256 GB solid-state drive. In today's world, a 256 GB drive fills up incredibly fast once you install Windows, a few large apps, and a couple of modern games. But here is why this isn't a deal-breaker. NIMO made this laptop with future-proof upgradability. Unlike most modern thin and light laptops where everything is permanently soldered to the motherboard, the NIMO allows you to easily pop off the back cover and upgrade both the DDR5 RAM and the M.2 SSD yourself. You can easily buy a cheap 1TB or 2TB drive down the road and upgrade it in less than 10 minutes. For daily productivity, NIMO nailed the details. The typing experience is excellent, featuring a premium backlit keyboard that feels comfortable for late-night typing sessions. For connectivity, you get ultra-fast Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, and a highly versatile USB 4 port. Powering the device is a generous 75 watt-hour smart battery, and it supports 100-watt Type-C power delivery fast charging. This means you can top up your battery incredibly quickly using a standard, compact USB-C brick instead of a massive, heavy power brick. Security is also a major focus here. It features a fast, accurate fingerprint sensor integrated directly into the touchpad for secure logins, alongside a physical, hidden privacy camera shutter. If you are working in public spaces or shared offices, these features give you peace of mind. Finally, NIMO offers an industry-leading 2-year worry-free warranty and a 90-day return window. That easily beats the standard 1-year warranty most competitors offer, showing that they really stand behind their build quality. So, what's the final verdict? If you are looking for a massive 17-inch laptop with top-tier desktop-level processing power, excellent day-to-day usability, and the ability to easily upgrade your storage later, the NIMO is an exceptional value. It beautifully balances the line between a high-end office workstation and a capable, portable entertainment machine.